First, you gotta lubricate.
Put some good oil for the old fart. Make the old fart happy.
Make the car happy, it won't break down on you.
I don't care about breakdown. You get a tow truck. And
Got
buy-
AAA, right?
It don't matter.
Yeah, I need AAA. Victor,
Yeah.
can you handle me the small filter on the top of my car?
Yeah.
Please.
You got it, hombre.
Orange.
The O-ring? Oh. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Oh shit, where's my key at? Shoot, damn it. I need to get up anyway. Stupid.
Crazy old fart.
I need these to take them out. And I need these to put it back in.
Do what you gotta do, hombre.
See? Yeah, my dear. The ratchet. Hey.